going to learn the math concept of more, less, and equal to. So before we begin, we're going to go over some quiet hand signals that you will use throughout this lesson. Okay. First, first hand signal that I will introduce is the quiet yes sign. If you agree, or if you if you agree, or you're saying yes to the answer, and then you can also say no if you don't think that's the right answer or think that's the right number. You can say no, and also this also means disagree. If another student may say a different number from what you were thinking, you can say no. And also you can say agree. This also means you agree if they say number 6 and you're like, yes, I agree. So you can say I agree, and you just shake your hand with your thumb and your pinky up and just shake it like that. Okay. So do you guys understand which signals are we're going to use throughout the lesson?
Yes, Miss Tawana.
All right. All right. Well then thank you. We now can begin. So I'm going to place I have the two circles written here or drawn here, and I'm going to place a number a number of these cute little objects. We have some cute little objects, counting objects here. I'm going to place a set in each circle, and then we're going to see if we can find the answer. We're going to count them, okay? So first off, I'm going to put a little something in here, like that. Here, and I'm going to put in a row just to make it easier for you guys to be able to see them. And then we can begin. Oh, okay. Let's see. Ooh, what I did. I now created a concept of equal to on accident, but it's good. Equal to. Okay, so let's check out. See what you think about something that's equal to. Equal to means same. So if two circles have the same number in it, you can also say equal to or same. Okay, so we're going to count we're going to count our groups here and see if we can find out if they're equal to or same. Okay, so we're going to start with the yellow group. So when you count with me, we're going to do it all together. We're going to count our groups. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3,
4.
So I have 4 in the first group, and I'm going to write it down here so we can remember what our number, what we have here. I'm going to write the number 4. So we found out we have 4 in the first group. Do we all agree?
Yes.
All right. Now, let's count the second group. We can count the second group here. We can begin.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ooh, so now we have how many in the second group?
4.
4. Okay, so check this out. Look at this. We now have, there's something. There's something, if you're looking with your eye and thinking, you can also, and this also means think, but if you're thinking and then seeing with your eye, there's a similarity here. There's something that's the same going on here. Correct?
Yeah.
So we have in the yellow group, we learned that we have four yellow dots, and then come to find out we have 4 purple dots. Mm-hmm. So the concept here now is, and I'm gonna see if anyone can tell me if what you've learned about the fact that one group has 4, the other group has 4. So if anyone can tell me, please raise your hand. Maria, what do you see here?
I've learned that they are the same.
The same, yes. So we have the same. We've learned that here in this group here, we have the same. So we have 4 in the first group, 4 in the second group. That is equal to, or simpler terms, the same. Okay. All right. So I love it. Love it. Thank you for all your participation. We're going to do one more example. This time, we're going to learn the concept of less. Let's check it out. Okay, so I'm going to remove a few. That's if one. Let's get back. Okay. I'm going to remove a few. I'm not going to change colors. We're going to keep the same color. But we're going to learn what less is all about. So I'm going to erase our numbers here. Okay. And I'm going to add in this over here. And we're going to see which group now has less. Okay. So if you can count with me, we'll see what the first group have. How many is in the first group? Looking for a quiet hand. Oh, Maria, how about you? What do you think here? What number is in the first group?
It's got 2.
2, yes. So we see here it is 2. So we have the number 2. And then we want to see what's in the second group. How many do you all see in the second group?
Just 1.
Just 1, yes. We see that it is 1. We learning the concept of more, less, and equal to. And in this case, we need to find out which group has less. So we have 2 in the first group. We learned that we have 1, only 1 in the second group. Can anyone tell me which group has less? Maria.
The yellow group.
The yellow group, which is the second group here. So the second group has only one on this little island, yes. And so, yes, Maria is right. Number 1 is less than 2, okay? Because because here you have just the 2. That's more than 1. 1 is less. Okay. So I thank you for that. Thank you. So we can now together, or actually independently now, you're going to talk to your partner. And I'm going to set another setup here, just briefly, and then after that, we're going to you're going to go on your Chromebooks. You're going to use your Chromebooks and go to your Math Seeds and practice for independent practice, more, less, and same. Okay, so that will conclude our lesson, because now you're going to go into the independent practice, and I hope that you got a chance to truly understand the concept. Actually, you have a visual of what that concept of more, less, and equal to look like in person. And so, yeah. So, all right. Well, with that being said, we can get our Chromebooks. First, you're going to just quietly, we're going to go by rows. I'm going to dismiss everyone by their rows, and then you can get your Chromebook out of the carrier case. Okay? All right. So as the week goes, we will learn more about this concept of more, equal, and less. Okay. All right.
Yay.
All right. So we should have everyone here that's in attendance. Hope you can see that. Yeah. Hope you can see it. Ooh. Uh-oh.
Good job, Tawana.
Thank you.
It was fun working with you.
All right.
Thank you for helping me, and I enjoyed watching you and learning together.
I did the same too, Maria. Thank you so much. All right.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.